We are pleased to show you the 2023 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.